Hi, I'm Steve Biggery, and today I would like to show you how our revolutionary conversational AI platform called SyncVoice can rapidly accelerate your digital transformation. SyncVoice is the platform upon which you can extend and accelerate your digital suite. When people enter the ecosystem through voice, you have unique advantages that we call the 6 T's of omnichannel digital acceleration. These include talk, telephony, tip-of-the-spear adoption, teaching, transitioning, and tethering. I'll unpack each in the coming slides. The central theme is that digital is the future and unstructured conversations will be the key to unlock voice, text, and chat interactions from here on out. Talking is the simplest digital interface known to man. Now that our SyncVoice unstructured conversational AI can manage any aspect of the interaction, it can be used to rapidly drive digital adoption across just about any interaction. According to a Pew survey conducted in April of 21, 97% of all Americans have a cell phone. 85% of those people carry a smartphone. Also, most devices on the Internet of Things are able to accept a voice input. A variety of telephony solutions, including PSTN, VoIP, and even Zoom, can serve as a platform to deliver voice interactions anywhere in real time. Most powerfully, the smartphone is uniquely suited to drive omnichannel engagement through seamless integration of unstructured conversational voice, text, chat, and mobile interactions, leveraging APIs and SDKs. My work with the McDonald's innovation team taught me that the overwhelming majority of guests decide what restaurant they're going to visit while they're still in the car. Therefore, we must meet the guests where they are and deliver a variety of tip-of-the-spear solutions to allow for early order capture and payment. If we give guests control over their experience, they will rapidly change their behaviors. The simplest example of this is allowing the age-old tradition of skipping the line. Leveraging unstructured conversations conveniently accessed at the point of order allow guests to save time, reduce friction, and drive value on today's visit. Voice is one of the primary ways we learn. By leveraging the SyncVoice unstructured conversational AI, we're able to teach guests at every step of the interaction. By understanding where they are in the journey, we're able to save them time. We can also teach them how to migrate to other digital channels, leveraging those unstructured conversational means. This is much more difficult to accomplish when you're using those other channels. For example, it's very easy to ask a person if they'd like to text to pay and explain the process in a few spoken words, but much more difficult to drive that same adoption using a conventional app. Once taught, these new behaviors are easily integrated in the text, chat, mobile, and online experiences. We can use the same unstructured features to instruct the guest how to move to the other digital self-service options. In addition, we can simply educate the guest on the value proposition. For example, once an order is taken and the payment received, teaching the guest that this easy reorder is available on every digital channel is simple. As simple as asking them to text reorder to the restaurant's phone number, call that same number, or select the reorder button within the app or online experience to seamlessly repeat this order in seconds. According to a Mobivity study, opt-in for mobile offers with immediate gratification outperforms ongoing offers by an amazing 20 times. Furthermore, subscriber retention is 96% in 90 days versus email at 61% and within the app at 33%. Even more remarkable is retention of text offers is 90% 2 years later. The key is meeting the guest in the channel they chose to interact with you in while making it simple through unstructured conversational interactions, leveraging voice, text, and chat, all seamlessly interconnected. The key to the power of SyncVoice is its simplicity. Let's walk through a typical guest journey. Driving adoption is central to the reduction of friction in the interaction for the guest. This is easily achieved by getting them to order and pay in advance with the inducement of skipping the line. This behavior is difficult to teach using conventional mobile apps while on the first visit because the marginal value of opening an app in restaurant is much lower than a simple conversation held in line. Once the behavior is learned, it's very easy to move the guest to mobile, online, in-car commerce, text or chat ordering, and payment on subsequent visits. Local point of purchase can easily be placed on the exterior of the restaurants, interior, or even within the mobile or online platform. Text-to-pay or rapid pickup set the hook to the digital tether while establishing a massive convenience value proposition which will keep the guest engaged for years to come. It also gives us the opportunity to teach them about all of the other solutions within the digital ecosystem on future visits. Added value can be driven by easier pickup through lockers and/or Geo for production alignment and arrival announcement. These work in concert to deliver hotter, fresher, and faster food with no wait in line. It also opened the doors to infinite incremental bolt-on capabilities. Once the order is captured through SyncVoice, we send an invitation for the guest to text payment. From there, they can opt into geo-tracking to take advantage of hotter, fresher, and faster food with no lines. The value proposition is phenomenal, and the opt-in is as simple as one touch or a yes response. At the end of the transaction, we can send them a reward, enroll them in loyalty, get feedback, teach them about other features, or just about anything else. This digital tether is a powerful digital omnichannel tool. Combining all those features can create a revolutionary new drive-through experience that can be used in literally any physical plant. I like to call this new through. A location that does not have the ability to leverage a Chipotlane can easily accommodate a bank of lockers attached to the kitchen or the front door. This makes every interaction a parallel transaction, meaning no guest must ever wait in line on another. Remember, line's a four-letter word in our business. This digital line busting is easily extensible to the inside of the restaurant. In fact, this is where a line is a tremendous advantage. A sign placed in restaurant inviting guests to skip the line will seamlessly expedite their visit and teach them how to avoid future lines. Once these guests step out of line and complete payment, the other guests in line will also benefit from a shorter visit. Thanks for your attention. I admire your digital leadership and look forward to writing the industry's future together.